Nestled within a secure enclave in Uberlândia-MG, the NZ house caters to a family who thrives on fostering connections. To fulfill this desire, the house unfurls in a U-shaped embrace, offering distinct areas on a single level, with the social and leisure zones taking center stage in the home's rhythm. Beyond the primary living area, the clients envisioned a subterranean haven for their prized wine collection, complete with an inviting space to entertain guests. On the sun-drenched terrace, a deck beckons users to immerse themselves in the city's vibrant tapestry. The heart of the home lies in the central garden, where the pool echoes a natural oasis, mirroring nature in both its form and materiality. This seamless connection with the outdoors is further accentuated by expansive glass walls in the social areas, blurring the lines between the pool, central garden, and side gardens. Natural textures, warm brick, and lush landscaping intertwine with the weathered steel, corten, accents, imbuing the project with a sense of comfort and fostering inviting spaces. important to remember that home is not just a place to live, but also a place where we can gather with family and loved ones. Therefore, it is important to choose a home design that suits your needs and lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss our latest videos. See you in the next video.